All right, guys, next, not a toolbox tool review, is, well, there's actually two here. I'm going to show you the first one I bought, and this one's pretty old. The box doesn't even have a name on it. I'm not even sure who makes this, but this is a rear caliber brake rewind tool, and hopefully you can see this has got some serious abuse. I did clean it before the video, but I didn't clean too much of it. I just cleaned the tool and stuff up as best I could. It's nasty. This is a regular right-hand thread one, and the reason I have another one, I'll show you. Two reasons. This one does not have the Volkswagen die for the tool, so I upgraded to the Astro 78618. And this one has the tool for the Volkswagen, but it also has a left-handed thread one. So if you run across a caliper that's reverse threads, you have the tool to reverse it back in the other way. So hopefully that makes sense. For the most part, you're only going to use this one. This is the left-hand thread one. You're not going to find too many cars that you're going to need this on. I didn't buy it for this. I bought it for the Volkswagen attachment, and I don't know which one that is. I probably should look that up before making this video. But this is the Astro 78618. So this is what I use, or have been using for a while now. Works amazing. I've never had a car yet where I don't have the right right adapter for it. It didn't come with a list, which I wouldn't have used anyway. I just look at it, figure out what I need, and then trial and error. You always find the one you need, or at least I have so far. These do have markings on them, so there probably is some kind of cross-reference. I don't use instructions until I can't figure it out, which is not often. So great tool. This one hasn't seen anywhere near the abuse that this one has seen. And I wish I knew who made this one. But these parts are also interchangeable, right? So I can use these dies on this kit. Most likely this kit has all the same stuff as this one. So, but again, don't throw tools away. You never know. So I just keep them both. I do like this Astro one. I haven't used this one since I got this one. Just because it has more options, more adapters, and that way I don't have to grab two of them and figure out what I need. But yeah, great bit of kit. I'll put a link in the description. Definitely recommend. I don't believe this is very expensive. I think this is quite a cheap tool. I could be wrong. My memory's crap. But I'll put a link to. I'll look it up on Amazon and put a link to the Amazon thing in the description. On to the next one.